you need to understand why your dog's not taking treats, because your solution is going to be based on that. Some dogs won't take treats because they're nervous, in which case having something that makes noise or high value treats is certainly not going to work. I need to take the pressure off so they can be successful. If my dog's overstimulated by the environment or too wound up, again, I need to get them to a calmer spot so they can be successful. This is an example of when I wouldn't try those games, because she's now interested in the ground, she's biting that grass, she wants to play. So chances are she's not going to take those treats no matter how interesting I make them.
That makes total sense. The other day we were outside in the yard and I was trying to offer her a treat, and she was preferring to take the dirt off the ground instead.